Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. Today we're going to talk about safety goggles. But first, please subscribe, like, share our videos, and hit the bell at the bottom so when we release a new video, you'll be notified. Also, all the information and links to the product will be down below in the More section. So let's get started. So I have some eye protection here I just wanted to show you guys. These goggles have vents on the front and on the sides. You can see them here. You can see that it has a seal that runs around the inside of the eye. So basically it breathes, so I guess they won't fog up on you. They are flexible, pretty good, okay? You have an adjustable strap in the back of the band to adjust for your head. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I had one on at the intro, and these are not splash protection at all, and nor to be used for welding. These are fly safety goggles. We have different finishes on the goggles or on the lenses. These are clear lenses. We have this one here is I3 safety light tint. And then we have a final one here, which is I5 lenses dark tint. I just walked outside with these here. These are pretty cool looking. And I don't think you should use these for motorcycles because the wind's going to blow into your eyes with these. It's not sealed off in the front area. But these meet ANSI standards, and they're pretty cool. So order a pair and try them. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.